Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Node.js environment variables safely. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Node.js environment variables safely, start by creating a new project directory. Open your terminal and navigate to this directory. Initialize a new Node.js project by running the command npm init. Next, install the .env package using the command npm install .env. Create a new file in your project directory named .env. In this .env file, define your environment variables in the format key=value. Make sure to include sensitive information such as API keys in this file. Now, head to your main JavaScript file, typically named index.js or app.js. At the top of this file, require the .env package by adding require.env.config. This line of code will load the environment variables from your .env file into the process. You can access these variables using process.env.key, replacing key with your variable name. For security, ensure your .env file is included in your .gitignore file. This prevents sensitive information from being pushed to your version control system. To test your environment variables, simply console.log the variable in your main file. Run your application using nodeindex.js or node.app.js. Check your terminal to confirm that the environment variable values are being displayed correctly. You have now successfully activated Node.js environment variables safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.